Alright, let's put our pastry cream in the bag for the Danish. So you get a pastry sleeve, open it up, make a nice hole, nice big opening. Push it down nicely. Let gravity does its job. Now, cut the end open. Ready to bake. First things first, pears. Push everything down, lock the end. Just follow the shape of the pastry. Right, now I'm going to put the sliced pears on top later. Strawberry Danish. This one we're going to do circle. Like 3 times. This is going to go straight in the oven and bake before I put the strawberries on top. Create like a dome shape. Ready? Square blueberry or mixed berry. Mixed berries are filling. This one you just fill in the hole. Push everything down, squeeze. Then more cream. Also here I'm trying to work quickly because the dough is still proofing. I don't want it to get too big or too acidic. Done. Apple Danish. Apple Danish filled with pastry cream, done. raspberry Danish. Pastry cream's finished. I'm gonna get more. Just a little bit. I might not need the sleeve. So done. Raspberry filled with pastry cream. So now I'm going to put my fruits, my corresponding fruits on each of this tray before they go in the oven. See you. All right, time to put my fruits on my Danish. I'm going to start with the apples first. So my apple Danish already proofed, filled with pastry cream. Now at this point I don't necessarily need gloves. Just wash my hand thoroughly because this is the product at this point is low care. It's not really important to put on gloves because they're going to be baked anyway. So the key is to wash your hand thoroughly. So first, apples. These are my apple slices. Basically, it's an apple. I cut it in half, peel it, remove the core, cut the end, and slice it. Half apple slice. And I put them in a slant fashion. So if it's too much, if you feel it's too much apple, remove some. And transfer the rest of the apple slices to the next apple. Three more to go. Now, after you put all the apple slices, this is a mix of cinnamon and sugar. cinnamon and sugar. Sprinkle on top of the apple slices. Be careful not to put too much onto the dough itself. This will caramelize in the oven, giving it a nice color and flavor. Apple Danish ready to bake. Now the pear Danish. Put slices of half pear on top and nothing more. A little bit too much, I'm going to take away some excess to transfer to the next. More there, here. So that's a pear. This pear is already cooked, boiled, cooked, and I cut in half. Now I'm going to cut in half and I take the quarter for each Danish. Done. Pear Danish. I'm gonna bake it just like this. After it comes out of the oven, I'm gonna decorate it with one raspberry on top of each. Now for the strawberry Danish, I'm just gonna bake them like this. But when they come out, I will put a quarter. I take one strawberry, cutting half and half, then put on top of it, and I will glaze the strawberries before putting it on. So I'm gonna turn 4 into, I only need 8 for tonight, so I'm gonna use the 4 for something else. So I'm gonna put, let's say, peach on 4 of these. Cooked peach, halves. 1, 2, 1, 2. So basically, this edge, I put this edge up because later I will decorate it with blueberry. I will create like an indentation, like a nice hole, like this. Let me show you. More like this. And this groove is ideal to put a blueberry right on top as a decoration. That's it. Strawberries, 8 strawberries Danish on the right, and 4 peach Danish on the left. Ready to bake. Now moving on to the blueberry, square blueberry Danish. Pastry cream already inserted. This is my filling. Blueberries. That's a blueberry filling. Just gonna use a regular spoon. gonna scoop blueberry. Put it there on top. Not too much, of course. This will bake, and when it comes out of the oven, I'll let it cool a little bit. Glaze it with fruit glaze. Glaze the top of the fruits, and I'll put a blackberry on top as a decoration touch. The blueberry Danish is one of my favorites because blueberry is rich in antioxidant. It's very healthy, so this is one of my favorite Danish. Wipe my hand. There you go, blueberry Danish filled with pastry cream and blueberry filling. Now I'm gonna bake it, glaze it, and put a blueberry on top. Square raspberry Danish. Now I need 8 here, then the rest I'll do some blueberry. For the raspberry, same thing. Let me show you the brand. New spoon, because I don't want to use the same spoon I use for my blueberry, because I don't want no contamination. Different product, different spoon. Raspberry puree. On top. On top. The excess, just take a little bit and transfer it to the next. And of course, when these are baked, I'm gonna put a raspberry. I'm gonna glaze it first with fruit glaze, and then I will put a piece of raspberry on top, fresh raspberry on top for decoration. So these are leftovers, so I'm gonna do one more. Put my spoon away. I'm going to do 2 more blueberries with this leftover. Spoon away. Fingers white. That's it. So here we got raspberries and 2 blueberries, Danish, ready to bake. Heading to the baking station now. See you. Right, my Danishes are ready to bake. So because I have some leftover space, so I'm gonna fill in this space with some croissant because they all bake at the same time. Croissants are egg wash ready to go. 3 trays, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, door close. Set timers 25 minutes. And bring my camera here so you can see. Timers, I already set it for 25 minutes. I'm going to launch the oven. Then set the time 165 degrees Celsius. That's it. 165 degrees Celsius. Once that light is flashing, that means the temperature is set. I just need to launch the timer. As you go, there you go. 25 minutes, it will be ready. Thank you. Right, my Danishes are baking. They're nearly done. So when they come out, I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit. Then I will use fruit glaze to glaze the top of it. Then add my last decoration, fruit. So 25 minutes cooking time, and about 5-10 minutes cooling down, then glazing. That's it. Time out. Very hot. Very hot. Piping hot. Right? Right, on top, my apples earlier. So, what's gonna be, I'm going to use a fruit glaze, crystal glaze, or apricot glaze to just glaze the top where the apples are and not touching the dough. My pear Danish. Let me go backwards so you can see the pear Danish. The pear Danish. I'm gonna glaze them with fruit glaze as well. My apples, my strawberries. I'll put strawberries there. I'll glaze it first, then put the strawberries. Then the peach. Similarly, I'm gonna glaze them and put a blueberry in the crack, the indentation in the middle of the pears. And rest we have here the blueberries. The blueberries, I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit. Similarly, I will glaze the top of the blueberries. Then I have my blackberry on top. Finish. The raspberries, same thing. I will glaze them with fruit glaze. Then I'll put a raspberry in the middle, and the blueberry here. I will glaze them the same thing, and I put a blueberry on top. And these are croissants. Croissants. They're piping hot, so I'm gonna let them cool down. That's it. If you like, please comment. I'll upload more videos. The more comments I get, please subscribe. Thank you.